Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to create a group on Instagram. In this tutorial, we'll take you through the process of setting up a group chat with your friends on this popular social media platform. Whether you want to plan events, share memories, or simply stay connected, creating an Instagram group is a great way to do it. So let's get started. First, go to Google and search for Instagram. Click the first link, though you can explore other links. In my case, I'll click on the first link. After you click, you'll see the Instagram homepage with many options such as Home, Search, Explore, Reels, Messages, Notifications, Create, Profile, and more. Now, on the left side, you'll find the Messages option. Click on it and wait. You'll see the center with Send Message options and Requests. But, when you look up, you'll notice a pencil icon. Click on it, and enter your friend's username. For example, I'll use Attitude. Wait. Then, select any profile. I'm just selecting 2 friends, but you can choose any. Click the chat button to start our Instagram group. Congratulations, you've now learned how to create a group on Instagram. Whether it's for keeping in touch with friends or collaborating with like-minded individuals, group chats are a fantastic way to stay connected and share experiences. Enjoy your newfound social space on Instagram and keep those conversations going.